So this bus is going to be for sale here, and I'm going to put Marcus's contact info in the description, the price and location. He's in the Atlanta area. He is willing to drive it here to our shop for an inspection for you. This bus probably had the most maintenance done of any bus here last year. Everything is pretty much so new rubber-wise, and we've really gone through a lot of things on this bus. So you can go back and watch any of the videos. You'll see everything in depth on it. It's a beautiful bus. It used to be owned by a NASCAR team. I believe it was RCR, Richard Childress Racing, and I think it was Kevin Harvick's bus. So there's some pictures of it with his car on the side and stuff like that. You'd have to probably track that provenance down if that's something that you absolutely want to buy it for that reason, but that is what I believe to be true on it, from what I was told and what I was shown. But it's a beautiful 1973 mc-7, mc-7. The paint on it, I would say, is probably like a 8.5 out of 10. It's black. There's some of the clear coat and some bubbling kind of going on in a couple places here and there on it. It has a 10 kilowatt diesel generator in it. It has an additional generator in one of the bays too that's dual fuel, gas and propane. It has 3 rooftop air conditioners. The generator bay is well vented. It's an Onan diesel generator that's in there. The tires are all new. 2022 tires, and again, all new airbags, radius rod bushings, everything underneath that's rubber and component wise down there is brand new. It's a real strong, good Detroit diesel 8V71. This is the one we replaced that fan hub on there. Trailer hitch mount, all that kind of stuff. They said the engine starts and runs real well. The RV conversion side of it is not all the way done yet. There's that spare generator that's with it. It's dual fuel, gas and propane. But there's the Onan that works in there, and that's a 10 kilowatt diesel generator. The body on it is nice, exterior panels and everything. The doors are all in really good condition on it. He's got a lot of pictures here that you can go through and take a look at. But it's a very straight bus. It's a very solid bus. A few things with the electrical wiring need to be worked out. This is the one that the no gen light was still on, and I was a little leery to kind of mess with some of the wiring on it. Some things may need to be rewired on it, but again, if you bring it in for inspection, we'll look at it closer. The interior, as you can see here, it's got the fridge in there. There are outlets in the bays too. That's that 10 kilowatt Onan diesel. It's a quiet generator. Pretty much so a factory stock layout for the driver's area up there. There's no kitchen yet in it. You can see the floors and the walls are in there. The refrigerator and microwave are in there as well. There's a couple of bunks. The bathroom, the toilet is in there, but they're still working on the shower. The bedroom, the rooftop airs also have the heating strips in them, so that's nice. It's got good windows in it, good glass. You can see the kind of cutout area there in the back where the bed goes. Mattress. So it's still got some things to do on the build out. The shower's not done in the bathroom. And again, the kitchen cabinetry and kitchen sinks and stuff like that is not done in there. But there's a good base. You know, everything's kind of started and ready to go. But if you're looking for a bus with a couple of bunks, so that's kind of a neat, cool fridge in there. There's the microwave. So some work required on the interior on it. But again, the bus is very nice mechanically, drives great, electrical systems and all the house kind of stuff I never really looked at. It comes with all the manuals. I can't really think of much else to say about it here other than, you know, go back and watch the videos of all the work that we did to it. It has a great awning on it with that American flag on there. It looks really nice. I mean, it's a sweet bus. It's in very good condition. It needed a lot of work when it got here. Man, this thing was lacking maintenance for years. They had just ignored stuff. Kingpins, the steering link was bad on it. I can't even remember what we did to it. There was so much work. But again, radius rod bushings, airbags, all that stuff, leveling valves. The fact that it's got all new tires on it, I mean, that's a $10,000 thing right there. Tires are crazy expensive right now. But mechanically, the bus is ready to go. It's a beautiful coach. It's for sale. I got Marcus's info on there. That's the one that I flew out to Atlanta to work on the one airbag, and it's a really good bus. All the information below. Watch the videos of all the work that we did on it, the NASCAR bus. And if you're interested, reach out to Marcus. And again, check the description for all the information.